In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add content to your course in Whop. If you're looking to expand your educational offerings or simply fine-tune your existing course material, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and get your content up and running smoothly. First, let's begin by logging into your Whop account. This is your first step in accessing all the tools you'll need to enhance your course. Open up your browser, head over to the Whop website, and enter your login credentials. Once logged in, you're greeted with your dashboard, your command center for all things course related. Now that you're on the dashboard, locate and click on the Products tab. This is where all your created products or courses reside. Scan through your list of products and select the one you wish to add content to. Once you've selected your course, it's time to move on to the course builder. Within your chosen product, you should see an option for Manage Content or Course Builder. Click on this and it will bring you to the area where the magic happens. Here you can manage existing content and add new material to your course, which is exactly what we're going to do next. To add a module or a lesson, find and click on the Add Module or Add Lesson button within the Course Builder. At this point, you'll need to input a title for your new module or lesson. It's a good idea to make this as descriptive and clear as possible to ensure your students know what they can expect. Right below the title, you'll also enter a description. This section should provide a brief overview of the content or objectives for that module or lesson, helping to set your learners' expectations. Once the titles and descriptions are in place, it's time to upload your course content. You can add videos, PDFs, audio files, or any other materials that suit your lesson's objectives. Whop provides a flexible way to enrich your lessons with diverse resource types, so make sure to choose the right format for your content. Simply drag and drop your files or use the upload function to add them to your lesson. After uploading your content, the next step is to set visibility and access permissions. Here, you'll decide which subscription tiers or specific members have access to your course materials. This step is crucial in ensuring your content is shared with the right audience, whether you're offering general access or exclusive content for select members. Finally, it's time to save your progress and publish your content. Make sure to review everything carefully before hitting that save button. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and publish. And just like that, your educational content is live and ready for your students to explore. With these steps, you've successfully added content to your course on Whop. Keep in mind that regularly updating and managing your course material can greatly enhance the learning experience for your audience. Thanks for watching and happy teaching!